Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to use ChatGPT as a Greek translator. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type chat.openai.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest that you log in first. To begin, effortlessly input your Greek text into the chat. Initiate the transformation by utilizing the phrase "translate this in English" and then proceed by pressing the Enter key. Observe the swift and precise English translation skillfully generated by ChatGPT, which unveils the core essence of the Greek words. Nevertheless, the linguistic exploration doesn't conclude here. Should your curiosity prompt you to seek the Greek translation of an English phrase, the process maintains its consistent elegance. Similar to before, translate this to Greek before entering your desired English text. Witness how ChatGPT adeptly responds, seamlessly presenting the accurate Greek translation. While ChatGPT's capabilities are truly remarkable, it is important to acknowledge that accuracy might vary, particularly in intricate contexts or when dealing with sensitive terminology. When confronted with significant matters, considering a second opinion is a prudent course of action. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.